What's up? Probably most of you are familiar with the pen tool, right? However, a quick review is always welcome. So, when dragging the pen, we can control the direction and size of the handles. When dragging and holding Shift, we can decide if we want the handle's direction to be vertical, horizontal, or having a 45 angle, something quite useful. Another useful tip to change the position of an anchor point is pressing the spacebar before releasing, and then we'll be able to move it wherever we want. To change the handle's direction or dimension of the same anchor point, first drag the direction line and then press and hold Alt and drag the direction line toward its opposite end in order to adjust the size or direction. Well, guys, after giving you these few tips regarding the pen tool, I'm going to show you how to properly vectorize a letter in Illustrator. Let's start by inserting a sphere and observe its anchor points and handles. If you pay attention, there are 4 anchor points around the circle. All the handles have the same size. We could say that the sphere is the shape that has the most perfect curves, so we are going to imitate it when vectorizing letters. The ideal thing here is using as few vectors as possible in order to have a greater control over the letter. To imitate the sphere, we are going to insert anchor points in the horizontal and vertical tangents, and also insert the handles both horizontally and vertically. This way, we'll be able to vectorize this image using just few points. Guys, bear in mind the following. When vectorizing, the distance between the anchor point and the handles it connects should be the same in each curve. So, make sure both handles are at the same distance of the corresponding anchor point. Also, make sure the handles don't exceed the invisible guidelines connecting parallel handles. Let's see it with a letter in italics. Obviously, feel free to insert the handles in the letter's terminals. In my case, I'm inserting the anchor points in those areas corresponding to the vertical and horizontal tangents. Don't worry if the handles haven't the proper size right now. We can modify it afterward. In certain letters, like the S, some curves change from concave to convex. If you need it, you can insert here an intermediate anchor point with a suitable direction. However, it's better if you can vectorize it using only vertical and horizontal tangents. Guys, let me give you a tip. The only way of getting harmonic curves is practicing. So I recommend that you practice a lot. You could even play this game, this one, to become familiar with letters digitalization. It shows you a deformed letter and you have to modify it by moving anchor points. Well, in the next lesson, we are going to apply this technique to our text. See you there!